Good afternoon. This is Justin Thompson with Renegade Trading Group. Today is January 3rd. Right now it's after 5 o'clock. I'm going to give a quick recap. This will be fairly quick today. I had one quick strategy, traded for about 20-30 minutes this morning, and I was done. So actually, last night we learned that a U.S. airstrike took out a top Iran general, Soleimani, and then overnight that caused the equity markets. We're looking at the NASDAQ here. Equity markets were in free fall last night. This is like the 6 to 10. This is a 4-hour chart, 10 to 2, 2 to 6. So I get up this morning at 5:30, and I'll drop down to a 5-minute chart so you can see it better. But that was my every entry was a short entry. So I'd short and buy, short and buy, short and buy, all the way down close to what was the that 4-hour trend line that we were just looking at. I stopped shorting there and called it a day. So that was basically my whole strategy this morning. I was pretty sure that the market would go all the way down to the trend line and then go up from there. So I was done with shorting. I was up $1,000 and I called it a day. So I was really tempted to buy when it got down there, but as most of you know, if you've been watching my channel, I'm working full-time for the Army, and so I decided to call it a day. It had been very profitable, and I went and got ready to go to work. I hung out with my wife for a little bit and then headed off. So that was pretty much the whole strategy this morning. I did take a couple of trades on the crude oil for like 2 or 3 ticks. Each time just enough to like get me over the $1,000 mark. I was like really close to it when I stopped trading the NASDAQ. So took a few trades, let's say between that 5:30 and 6 as I saw the opportunities. It was like, so because of this thing with Soleimani, that this market was just going straight up. I was a little nervous about it, but I was actually shorting it mostly this morning. Mostly because, let's go to a I have this drawn on another chart where I can see it really well, but this red candle right here, that's a monthly high, and so when it came really close to it, it started dropping away, and so that was the strategy there, to short that supply level of that monthly high. So yeah, I just did it a few times, got over the $1,000 mark, and again called it a day. So it's always nice when you can make $1,000 in less than 30 minutes and then go to work. So don't happen every day. I've been averaging between 200 and 300 a lot of days, but the markets have been given a lot of opportunity here this past week. I had a $800 day, a $500 day, and now a $1,000 day, all this week. So last trading day of the week. So hopefully it'll continue to be good next week. Have some good movement in the morning when I have time to trade. Anyway, best of trade to everyone. Again, it's Justin Thompson, Renegade Trading Group.